Hello friends, welcome to Yaraa. So today we are going to see how as a tradesman, as a plumber, roofing company, or as a flooring company, or maybe ITS company, you can have your employee log working hours in Yaraa. So as you know, Yaraa comes up with iPhone app, Android app, as well as the web version. So normally the employee which is on the site, on the client side, on the go, they will log into mobile app and they will, do the clock in and clock out with simple, to use the button. So just log in as an employee in Yaraa, and once you log in as employee, you will see the punch in button. Just click on this punch in button which is in green, and it automatically starts your working hours. So there is a clock that gets started, and if you click on punch out, then your hours is actually stopped in a working manner. So punch in punch out will log the working hours in the system. Whether you do lunch in or lunch out, the same button needs to be clicked, so it overall calculates the tally of total hour working hours. So let's just see how the same hours that the employee has logged now is being seen by the manager or an employer in the back. Okay, so we have logged in as a manager or as a owner of the company in the web version. So you will see the setup wizard and everything. You go to reports from the left side menu, where you will see the project report, timesheets, and attendance. So we're just going to see the attendance for a particular employee. So you over here you will have all the employees that is listed in the all the employees that is in the company that is listed, and then for particular date you will see the hours. So we have the 17th of July. We have hours that's logged. So you have the pagination. Using that you can identify the employee, and you will see that the present and the number of hours that he has worked. You can always export the employee hours in PDF or CSV to process your payroll. So it gives you the complete report of how many hours a particular employees or all the employees work. So this is a PDF report that can be used to process the payroll. Obviously there is another version which is called CSV or Excel that can be used as well. So you can print like this for the month as well, not on a particular date from the selecting date range. So we can export as CSV as well. So this is a kind of Excel. The file can be opened in Excel, so that you can check out the hours that has been worked by any employees in a particular day or a particular month, so that you can process the payroll or salary for them. So that's how easy it is to see and check it out the working hours for an employee and process your payroll. Thanks for watching the video, and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.